Hello everyone. Welcome to this tutorial on Python Basics. We are studying more and more about functions, and in this tutorial we are going to have a look at a very handy, very small topic called nesting functions. And if you've studied, function nesting could be very handy in a few cases. So there is only one basic agenda of this tutorial. We are going to understand and implement a nested function, as I've already created a tutorial for the app, and I've already created a code for that as well. So let's go ahead and try it. So here we go. We have a function called outer. It specifically does nothing. It just prints a value. But as you can see, what I have done over here is I have created yet another function called inner inside this function. And through that function code, I'm printing this string value. And then since this function is just defined, we have to call it as well. So I have called this function over here. Let's try to execute it. Okay, so we have to run outer function. And as you can see, it executed its statement as well. It executed the nested function as well. So let's do something. So just for the sake of understanding this code, let's remove this inner call. And let's run the outer. And as you can see that since we didn't call the function inner, it doesn't actually run and print the method. Now we have to understand a very important concept over here. So far, we've been calling the method through the main Python program. But since the inner was defined inside the outer, in this case, the outer actually called the inner function. So there is a concept of calling and called function over here, which we are going to deal with in detail in the next tutorial. The calling function is outer and the called function is inner. So just keep in mind what are calling and called functions. And now this is it for this tutorial. What I want you to do is, as I have always been saying, go out and find out more descriptive and useful examples of nested functions and try them out on your own. It could be really helpful for your practice, and moreover, you get more insight into the Python programming as well. So in our next tutorial, we're going to do a calling function from other functions, where this concept of calling and called functions will work out. And this is it for this tutorial. Thank you. Have a nice day.